Welcome to ChallengeForex. My name is Steve. In today's video, we're going to look at issues with MT5 not opening trades, and we're going to have a look at 5 hidden reasons why this might be happening. So stick around and let's have a look at the chart, see what we can find. Reason number one, and this is a simple one, but some people just might not even think to look here. But looking at the algo trading button on the top toolbar, we can see here that this one is disabled. However, if it's not enabled, the little rectangle here or the little square is actually red, and when it's enabled, it turns into a green triangle or green arrow pointing to the right. So you just need to ensure that algo trading is actually turned on. Reason number two, let's look at your EA settings and check that automated trading is actually allowed or turned on in your EA. And to do that, you can either double click on your expert advisor that's attached to the chart, or just press the F7 key to bring it up and look on the common tab. We'll see here, allow algo trading. So in this case, it is actually turned on. And the other thing is as well is let's look at the actual options. So go to tools, options, expert advisors. We want to have allow algo trading ticked here, and also allow DLL imports as well. So that could be a reason why it is not trading. It only applies to some expert advisors. Some do not have any DLLs that need this anyway, but it's good to actually have this set in your actual options anyway and turned on. Reason number three, we're going to look at trade conditions. So we're going to assume in this case that the reason your expert advisor hasn't placed any trades is your trade conditions are too strict, or at least it hasn't actually met the required trade conditions. And I'll give you an example of that with this particular expert advisor that I'm using now. And I have an RSI indicator and two EMA indicators attached to the chart. And I'll explain to you about the rules for entry in this particular case. So for this expert advisor, and let's pick this particular day here. So in this particular day, we are only going to place a trade if the price is below both EMAs. So that could be like a 20 and a 50 or a 50 and a 200. That's up to you. But also if the RSI goes to overbought and then comes back down and crosses the line again, sort of like how it has here. But on this particular day, the expert advisor or the RSI line did not actually go to the overbought section. So in this particular case, the moving averages part of the condition was met, but the RSI condition was not met. So in this case, no trade was placed. Alternatively, if the trade condition was when the RSI line passes through the bottom level or the lower level, then to open a trade, in that case, a trade would actually be opened right about at the close of this candle. And in this particular case, your condition would have actually been met. So in this particular example, reason number three, trade conditions not met could be the reason. So in that case, it could just mean waiting another couple of days for your conditions to align. Reason number four, we're going to look at invalid lot size, or your risk settings are not correct for your broker. Trying to open a trade that is bigger than the maximum lot size that your broker allows. You would normally get this error message in your actual experts tab. So if you had a look there, you would actually see that. But the risk settings are usually placed in your expert advisor settings. So let's bring up the settings on this expert advisor, and I will show you for this example. Your expert will be different, but you'll find what I mean. So here we have a section here for lot sizing, and we can, in this particular case, manually enter a lot size. So we can just say 0.01 lots is the lot size. But also this has an option to automatically calculate the lot size based on the balance of your account. So the particular setting here is 0.01 lots for every 1,000 of your balance. So for example, if you had a restriction on your broker, say, I know maximum size you can place is 5 lots, and this on a say maybe $100,000 account, calculated to be more than 5 lots, then your broker won't allow you to open a trade. Alternatively, if you had a manual setting for 10 lots on your expert advisor, but the maximum lot size for your broker is 5 lots, well, then the broker will reject the trade. Reason number 5 why you might not get a trade, it could be just that the market is closed. So just check the session times that you're actually trying to trade. There is a period, usually close to midnight on the broker's time, when you might not be able to place any trades at all, and also there may be wide spreads at that time as well. So have a look at the market watch window and check the actual trading time, and also that'll affect the day as well. I mean, with Bitcoin you can actually trade on weekends, or crypto you can trade on weekends, where Forex pairs and gold, silver, those type of things, oil, you can only trade those Monday to Friday. So you just need to check the actual time. So once we get to broker time, I think it's about 23:59, the countdown will actually stop and the market will close, and you would not be able to place any trades. Here is a fast recap for you. You might want to pause the video here and take a screenshot of this if you like. But the main thing is to go over these checkpoints if your expert advisor is not trading, and see if one of these conditions have not been met. It could just be that your strategy has not come up with the correct inputs, or the actual timing is not correct for your indicators to actually align to actually place the trade. That's it for today's video. Hit the like and subscribe if you'd like to see more tips on MetaTrader 5, and watch out for my next video.